Okay, guys, today we want to design an Instagram carousel like this. This is a carousel. Please. This is an Instagram carousel. This was left out. This page was left out. So this is how an Instagram carousel looks like. So you can design for your brand using Photoshop. So now let's create a new folder. Let's see here. Come here. You can see the size. Look at the artboard. This is the property bar. So look at, we just use a random size, but there's a, a standard size which you are going to hear. So we'll create a new folder. You press Ctrl N. You hear from here, then you come here, under here, select pixels. Under pixels, now let's do our selection. You change this to 72, then you change this to, then you now change this to 1 180 by, then the height you change this to 350 pixels. Then you click on create. Now this is your standard size for when you want to design an artboard. So now let's we'll adjust this by the side. Then right click here, then we'll start bringing in our logo and all our assets that we want to design. So this is the logo of the brand. Let's drag, we'll drag and then bring it to position. Just drag and drop like this. The brand is a print brand. This is the brand. This is the Carousel brand. Click on OK like this. So this is how they want. This is their logo, then which will be at the top left here. So the next thing is one of the things they started. They give us a design brief, which you can say, design is power. Let me adjust. Design is visual power. Visual power. So this is the brief they started with. So we were thinking, how can we be creative about this? So he just said he wanted write up. So now we are sticking to the brand color. Look at their brand color, green, and this gradient fill here. So now let's separate this so that we can have authority over it, or you can just select all and then click on Control E. We want to centralize it, or you come here, centralize here, click on OK. Then you take it to the middle. Look at it's in the center like this. So now let's work with their colors. Come here. Look at their color. You can hold alternate and then select green, or which is their color, or you can now select anyone. So I want this power to be, let me change the power there to this color. So hold alternate and then click on it. Okay. So now his details, will be using his details, which are under. So the space is too much. And this font, I don't like the font. Come here, we'll change to Bebas. Where you will be using Bebas. Bebas, for example. So under Bebas here, you click on. Let's select all. Select all here. Click here. Come start writing Bebas. Then look at Bebas here. Click on OK. So if you are using Bebas, we have to separate this to have to be distinct. Let's copy. So let me differentiate it. That's one. So let's copy this by holding shift and hold, drag it down, and then copy these visuals only here. Cut from here, then click and come and paste it. What you are trying to do, you are trying to adjust it so that it will be a single, it will be single to give you that allowance to have whatever you want to do. So design is visual. This is how it works. So it's not that difficult. It's not difficult. You just have to be creative about it. Look at how it is. So, and all their designs were expected to be by the left. Look at how it is. And then click on OK. And then they suggested that their social medias should be under here. So under. So you can just write from here. Let's select a rectangle like this, and then we are going to select a color. Select this color and then select this green. Cancel. Let me select it here and then come to this view, or you can come to this view, then select this color. That is the previous color. These are the recent colors that we have been using. Then undo. Then you can now write your phone numbers here. Just drag anyone. See how you can now drag it like this. Double click on there. This is, let's undo. From here, take it. Sorry, it's behind that. Let's undo so that we'll select that. So Control T to select that, then double click. Let's delete some artifacts. I think that's the design there. Then double click on it. You select here. I don't know why. Select all. Then come here, select, and then give it a white color. Click on OK. The reason why you're not seeing it is because it's behind it. So carry it up and then adjust it. You make your adjustment from here. Please, if you are not following. So the phone number, you can have a phone call icon here by the left here. Then the phone number is 090 10 21 9708. So now at this juncture, you can now create, this is an artboard for it. So now let's create more artboards. Let's make it different kinds of artboard. So we can now select this entire frame and then we can call it an artboard. Or we can just select it on it like this, exactly how it is on that page, and then it will form an artboard. That's one artboard. So right click on OK. Then if you want to go back, right click here, click on artboard, click on top of here, and then you see when you click to the next one, pam, it will give you another artboard. So if you want to duplicate this particular artboard so that you can make your designs from here, you duplicate like this, and then you can make your changes. Right click, try. So you just be changing your designs. So you can just be changing it. Try. Then you click on OK. Try different 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 creative styles. Different creative styles with us. So now from here you bring this down, and then we are trying to make emphasis on something. So try different creative styles with us. Then this one down here, let's duplicate this. Let's cut it out. So we'll select it, cut. Then let's select a different frame like this. Double click here and click on paste. Select it, then adjust it. Bring it to fit in. So this is it. It's very simple. So now we'll differentiate, try different creative styles with us. Let's delete this this is a typo error. So now remember how we're sticking to that red. So now what is very important here, you can now select this, change it to this red. You come here, click on it, and then you select that particular red lines and click on OK. Enter. Then you know that this is how it works. So you can continue to copy these artboards like this. Select this particular artboard, hold alternate like this, copy to the next one. You can see select here, hold the artboard and copy to the next one. So this is how you'll be able to work out, make your editorial and continue going. You don't have to wait. I don't want this tutorial to be so long. So the next thing now is when you come to export, how to export your artboard. Then select this, come to export. Under export here, select this, and then look at the entire artboard being selected. So since it's being selected like this, you see them from all by the, you see them here 1 2 3 4. Then you come, you scroll downwards, there's export here, you come to export. It means all of them will be selected. So let's select desktop, that's folder, and then all has been selected. When you come to desktop, you see that this is 1 2 3 4, and then they are ready for posting, so you don't have to waste most of your time in. So please, if you love this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this video. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.